students, welcome to Parvathys Academy. Today in this class we are going to learn fundamental concepts of Python programming. In this fundamental concepts, first we are going to start with comments in Python programming. Hi students, welcome to Parvathys Academy. Today in this session we will learn fundamental concept of Python programming. The first concept of Python programming is comments. What do you mean by comments? Comments cannot be executed in the program. While writing C programs, we use comment lines. Documentation section we will write comment lines. That is comments in Python. Comments cannot be executed. Comments are used to explain the Python program code. It is used to make the code more readable. It is used to prevent the execution when testing code. When we have the situation of testing the code, the comments are very useful. Next one is categories of comments or types of comments. Comments are categorized into two types. One is single line comments and another one is multi-line comments. Let's learn one by one. Come, let's learn how to create a comment. Comment starts with a hash and Python will ignore them. Okay, if you give comments starting with hash, then that line will be ignored by the Python. See here, for example, hash, this is a comment. Okay, print hello world. The Python will execute only print hello world. It will not execute, this is a command. It will not execute the line which is given in this starting with hash. Okay. Next one is comment can be placed at the end of the line and Python will ignore the rest of the line. Okay, and for example, we can give the comment at the end of the line also. See here, this is hash, this is a comment. The Python will execute only print hello world and it will ignore this. This is a comment. It will not execute this line, which is given in green color. Okay, because this is a comment. Next one is multi-line comments. Comments can be written in multi-lines also. To add a multi-line command, you could insert a hash for each line. Okay, see here. For example, this is multi-line comment. This is a comment written in more than just one line. See here, this is a comment is one line. It is starting with hash. And next line is written in is the next line and it is also started with hash, and more than just one line it is also started with hash. So this line is one comment, this line is one comment, and this line is one comment. So totally we have three comments in this particular program. Python will execute print hello world only. Till now we have seen the theory part of comments. Now we are going to learn practically how to use comments in programs. We know that there are two types of comments. One is single line comment and another one is multi-line comments. Let's see what is single line comments, how the single line comments are used in Python program and multi-line comments are used in Python program, how the outputs are appearing. All that we are going to learn now. For example, for comment we have to use hash in Python programming. So I am typing this is comment, enter. Now I am going to print hi, welcome to Parvathys Academy. Okay, see here I have written the comment. This is a comment. Starting itself I have written a comment and I am going to print one sentence. Hi, welcome to Parvathys Academy. Okay, see here now this comment line will not be executed. The Python program will execute only this line. Okay, let's see. See here we have got the output. The Python will not execute this line. It will eliminate, it will avoid the comment line. Okay, see here at the end of this line I am going to give the comment hash. This is a comment. Okay, see here only hi, welcome is printed here and this is a comment is not executed. Okay, the line starts with hash is a comment line. And see, for example, if I give hash hi, welcome and printing, I am printing print hello means, see here this hi welcome is a comment because it is not executed and it is starting with hash, and this print is a code. Print hello is a code. Only this print hello will be printed, and we got the output hello. Hi welcome will not be executed because it is a comment. Okay, this is a single line comment. See, all these comments are given in a single line. So this is single line comments. In single line comment itself, we can give the comment in starting of the program itself, and we can give the comment at the end of the program like this. Now let's see what is multi-line comments. Multi-line comments means in multi-line comment we are going to use many lines, 3 or 4 or 5 lines. See, like this hash, this is a comment. Again hash, hi all, hash, how are you all. Next one is welcome to Paru's Academy. Here I have to use hash. Now I am going to type print. I am going to type the program coding. So for example, A equal to 80, B equal to 90, C equal to A plus B, print C. Here all these 4 lines are comments. In single line comment we gave only single line as a comment. This is a comment only we used. Here since it is a multi-line comment, we have to use different types of lines, different multi-lines in this program coding. See here, I have written a program code A equal to 80, B equal to 90, C equal to A plus B. I am going to print the result in C. See here, I have got the output. So only these lines A equal to 80, B equal to 90, C equal to A plus B, print C is executed. All these 4 comment lines are not executed. Comments cannot be executed. Okay, this is multi-line comments. Like this also we can give multi-lines. Okay students, this is about comments in Python programming language under the topic fundamental concepts of Python program. I hope you all understood. That's it for now. If you have any doubt, comment on comment section. We will meet in next class. Thank you for watching.